Hey guys, it's Alex and I made it back to the Keys where I grew up, went to elementary school, middle school, high school, everything here. Our house is thankfully safe. A lot of trees were damaged obviously, but I just got back to our Tarte office here in the Keys and it's not in the best shape, but my entire family's here. We are all here helping pick up. Let me just take you through, broom. Let me just take you through a quick tour of our office. We're all taking stuff out. This all used to be very green grass, pretty palm trees. All these trees are down. Now we're walking to the second part of our office. The sand has risen very, very high. I'm literally walking on seaweed and sponges that should be in our ocean. The stairs are hidden, you see it here, and we're walking up. We have some of the outdoor furniture we had. There's my aunt, cousin, little brother, all helping. This is underneath a part of the office. Now I'll take you to the back of our office. This is not, I promise you, this is not what it used to look like. You can see where all the sand has kind of disappeared here. It's all in the front of the house now, but this is what a Category 4 hurricane can do. It's really scary, which is why we evacuated, thank goodness. But there's just pieces of boat things all over the property. You can see that this completely broke. This is just really sad. This will all look better. You can't drown a conch. They call us conchs here in the Keys. It's been a long day. We've gotten a lot done. Here's one of the couches. Actually dug this couch out of here. We've dug all the sand so that we can open the doors and get to cleaning. We've taken out everything. This is actually where one of our conference rooms was, but we've had a lot of water damage. And oh, who is that? Oh, killing it, Alex, killing it. Had a lot of water damage. Mold is not something you play around with, so went ahead and we have gutted that. You can see where the sand was though, where we kind of dug. I'm gonna take you guys inside of our office, which you guys have probably seen like in Snapchat or an Instagram story, but let's check that part out. So this all had to be ripped out. This is actually my desk right here. This is Lex's desk right here. This is where we sit, you guys. This is where we do our work. But we will rebuild. Yeah, it'll be done. Ahora déjame enseñarte la vista. Fenomenal. That's my dad's favorite word, fenomenal. I just said I'm gonna show you guys the view. It's a beautiful view. This is why we rebuild. This is why our community comes together to rebuild. It's because it's absolutely breathtaking. Even in wake of a hurricane, can't beat this view. Can't see much, But I cannot wait to show you guys what this looks like when we're completely done, when we are the Keys once again. It's truly a beautiful place, and it's very heartwarming to see how the entire community pulls together. Driving in, you see welcome home, you cannot drown a conch, free water, you know, everyone's pitching in to make our home again. And it's one of the beauties about living in the Florida Keys. It's such a tight-knit community that you really do know everyone and want to help everyone, want to be a part of all the rebuilding that is being done. But this is where I grew up, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed part of the views. Like I said, we will be back. I'm here with my dad, my mom, and my aunt, and they're gonna talk to you guys about what it means to rebuild the Florida Keys.
Esto ha sido un desastre tan grande que la gente no se lo puede imaginar. Pero como esto es nuestro lugar nuestro hogar, nuestra isla, hay que empezar a trabajar y a
reconstruir otra vez.
A reconstruir todo lo que dejamos atrás.
Y ayudar a los vecinos, help our neighbors, rebuild, and work as a community. And I think that's what Laura was saying. She's seen so much of in our community, of everyone coming out to help and support one another.
Yeah, rebuilding for family and community.